And I really think that the education we get at Purdue through coursework is, really just at the same level as all of these other places that some people might think of as, being a little more prestigious. But I really think that Purdue really does a great job of just providing that basic knowledge through coursework that really rivals a lot of other really great programs.
So what have been your favorite parts of these experiences, and how do you hope to use them in your future career?
I think so. The part I've enjoyed most is about getting to know the different ways that these different institutions kind of look at diseases and processes, and even how they just approach science.
Are you superstitious of the bell tower? Would you walk under it?
I haven't, and I'm not planning on it. I don't know. Have you?
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
Never,
I'm
never.
not messing with it.